Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. On the menu today we have shawarma wraps, which is my family's favorite thing to cook for them. The meat is seasoned to perfection and that garlic sauce is addicting. The best part is that you can take the shawarma marinade and also make rice bowls with it or even throw it into some salads. It doesn't have to be in a wrap. The first thing we're gonna do is marinate our chicken thighs in some olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, allspice, coriander, paprika, cumin, salt, sumac, black pepper, and turmeric. Now just mix it all up to get the chicken evenly marinated, and you can let it rest in the fridge overnight or at least an hour. Now if you want to make steak or lamb shawarma instead of chicken, you would just use the same exact marinade but swap it out for your choice of protein. For the red meat, I like to cut it in thin strips before marinating it. Once your chicken is done marinating, you want to get a pan or skillet very hot. Then add a little bit of oil. You don't need too much since chicken thighs are already pretty fatty. You'll add your chicken in and fry on one side for about 6 to 8 minutes until it has a beautiful brown sear just like this. Flip over and sear the other side for another 6 to 8 minutes and until the chicken is cooked through to the center. Once it's cooked through, I like to take it off the pan, chop it into small cubes, and throw it back into the pan for a second fry just to get it nice and crispy. This step is optional, but it adds a lot of flavor. For the steak, you would cook it the same way in a hot skillet or pan with a little bit of oil until it has some nice browning and it's cooked in the center. Now we can finally move on to assembling our wraps. First thing you'll need is some toom or garlic sauce, which I showed how to make in my other video. Then we're going to take a tortilla, which is not authentic at all, but it's great for making these wraps. Spread a generous amount of toom on top, then add your chicken, pickles, and I like to add some french fries inside the chicken one as well. For the steak wrap, it traditionally has a tahini-based sauce in it, but I like to also use the garlic and add some tomatoes as well as avocado for a little California twist. You want to make sure to use the largest tortillas that you can find and pack everything tightly in the center so that they're long and thin rather than short and wide like a burrito. Then brush the outsides with some oil, or what I like to use is mayo, and get them nice and toasted on the top and bottom. This is going to add a nice crispy texture on the outside. And that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when I upload a new recipe. And if you try this recipe out, let me know how you liked it in the comments and I'll catch you in the next video.